Hey kids, welcome to Art with Mrs. Allen. Even though we are cooped up inside, it is beautiful outside. So I thought today I would teach you how to draw and color realistic daisies. For this project, all we're gonna need is a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with. Remember to pause the video if I'm going too fast and to just have fun. All right, let's get started.
First, draw circles for each daisy and draw 4 petals on each one. Draw 4 more petals on each daisy in between the first 4 that you drew. Finish it up by drawing connecting lines between the petals to create more petals. For the stems, draw 2 curved parallel lines running down from each flower. Give each daisy leaves by adding sharp angles and curves and details, such as the line down the center. Using colored pencils or crayons, choose a light and dark green to color the stem. To color the leaves, start by coloring the whole leaf in light green. Then use dark green to shade the leaves and add veins. Now choose a color for your daisies. Using bright yellow for mine, I color in each petal. Next, use a darker version of your color, like dark yellow, to color the center of the flower and to add lines to the petals. Also, use your darker color to fill in around the center of the flower and make some of your petals darker to add dimension. Using a dark brown or black colored pencil, draw loopy lines inside the center of the daisy to add detail. Now, use that dark brown pencil to create shadows and depth in individual petals, and also the stem and the leaves. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.